So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find a player in Total Battle. Now finding a player in Total Battle, it actually requires manual searching method because the game doesn't have a direct name search bar. So you can locate someone by checking battle reports, scanning clan territory in the map, or asking in the kingdom chat. So by opening up your player mode, you can open up your chat and see if someone could be there. You can also click on find chat or contacts. So you can find them with that. You can also access clan once you get to it. You can see your captains, your quests, your items, and you can also check out the map to find specific people within that. So you can't really search for a person or some nickname that they have, but what you can do is to check for battle reports. So if you open up your journal to do that, so your journal could look something like this. You can then scan clan territory on the map itself, or you can ask within your kingdom chat what was happening, if someone can say what's going on, so you can then access that person and then you can find them, that specific player that you may want to chat, you want to talk to, maybe discuss tactics, play together, and so on. So there's really a lot of different things that you can do within it, but you can't really search for someone. You need to find them on a map or check for battle report. So that's about it. That's how you can find someone and find that player on Total Battle. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Total Battle or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.